We just got back from a trip to Lithuania, and before we went, we decided to learn a few words and phrases to help us get by and make our trip more enjoyable. And that's exactly what happened. Every time we would speak in Lithuanian, we noticed that the natives would show more interest in us, and they really wanted to help us make the best of our trip there. And that's really what inspired this video. Make sure you watch it till the end, because we have a little announcement to make. Olá, bom dia, boa tarde ou boa noite. Here's our top 20 Portuguese words that we think are going to be the most useful for you when visiting Portugal. So I'll be giving you a list, and I will be saying each word twice and giving you time to repeat after me. Okay, so the first word is just an informal greeting, meaning hi or hello. Olá. Olá. Number 2, bom dia. Bom dia. That means good morning. 3, boa tarde. Boa tarde. That's good afternoon. Number 4, boa noite. Boa noite. Now a shorter word meaning yes, sim. You see S-I-M, so do not say sim, but sim. It's very nasal. Don't let your lips meet. And then for no, não. Also very nasal. It helps if you grab hold of your nose. Não. If you want to say please, just say por favor. Por favor. Thank you. If you're a male, say obrigado. With an O at the end, very short O. Obrigado. If you're a female, obrigada. Obrigada. When you're in a coffee shop or restaurant and you want to ask for something, you want to order a drink or something to eat, the word for I would like would be queria. Queria. Let's say you want to order a coffee, or one hot chocolate, one. So the word for a and one is the same word in Portuguese. It's Um. Again, don't go I know you can even do this with your mouth closed. It's pretty much the same sound. And there's the feminine version of that. Uma. So you use with masculine nouns such as café, chá, one coffee, one tea, but uma for feminine nouns. Uma sopa, uma sandes, soup, or a sandwich. Don't worry if you don't know these. Just say Desculpe. That would mean excuse me or I'm sorry. Or even, sorry, can you repeat again? Just by saying desculpe. Desculpe. Silent E at the end. Next one, the verb to speak. So if you want to say I speak, simply say falo. Falo. If you want to say do you speak or you speak, fala. Fala. Portuguese, português. Português. English, English. Inglês. The word for where, onde. Onde. And the word for is, or it is, é. É. If you want to say and, a coffee and a hot chocolate, the word and in Portuguese is e. E. Next one, the bathroom or the toilet. A casa de banho. Sorry, there's 4 words in there. Let's do it again. I'll do that 2 more times. A casa de banho. A casa de banho. And then a question if you want to say what. O que. O que. The last word, to recommend. Recomenda. Actually, it means you recommend or do you recommend. Recomenda. It's kind of like an English age. Recomenda. Sort of, for some people. If you want to know how to pronounce the Portuguese R, make sure to watch our video on that letter. And the link will be in the description below. And if you're enjoying this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, I'm going to give you phrases, okay? We're going to put all of these words together and form short, simple phrases that you can use when visiting Portugal. So the first one would be, no thank you. Não, obrigado. Não, obrigada. And then, yes, please. Sim, por favor. Sim, por favor. You could just simply say sim or just por favor. Then the third one, hi, do you speak English? Olá, fala inglês? Olá, fala inglês? Number 4. Sorry, I don't speak Portuguese. Desculpe. Não falo português. Desculpe, não falo português. Number 5. I would like a coffee and a cake. That's what most Portuguese ask for when they go to a coffee shop. Queria café e bolo. Queria café e bolo. Let's do that one again. Queria café e bolo. If you find it too difficult to say the queria, just say café e bolo. Go straight into the items you want. Bom dia, or boa tarde, or boa noite. So just greet the person depending on time of day. If it's good morning, then say bom dia. If it's good afternoon, boa tarde. That would be after lunch. So maybe after 1 p.m. up to 6 p.m. And then from 7 onwards, you can say boa noite. So let's say it's morning time, just before lunch. And you want to say, good morning, a coffee, please. Bom dia, café, por favor. Bom dia, café, por favor. And then, what would you recommend? If you want to know tips on what to drink or what to eat, something like that, you could just ask, o que recomenda? O que recomenda? Number 8. Excuse me, where are the toilets? Or where's the bathroom? The restroom. Desculpe, onde é a casa de banho? Desculpe, onde é a casa de banho? You could also ask, what's traditional? What's typical if you're in a food place? O que é tradicional? I didn't give you the tradicional word, did I? But it's very similar to the English, traditional. Tradicional. Repeat after me. Tradicional. O que é tradicional? Good. Now, if the person is speaking too fast, just a little extra one, you could say, fale mais devagar. Fale mais devagar, por favor. Fale mais devagar, por favor. Speak more slowly, please. Okay, now that we got to the end of this lesson, I don't expect you to remember all the words and phrases we just looked at. You'll need to practice a little bit more. And for that, we created a memorized lesson that includes audio for these and a few other Portuguese helpful words. To access it, just go to the link in the description box below. The best way to learn Portuguese words and Portuguese phrases and have the confidence to use them is by being exposed to them and practice them in context. So this is the announcement I had to make. We just recently launched a pre-course or a pre-journey. It's a mini course for complete beginners. And that includes the scenarios, 3 different scenarios that you will definitely come across when visiting Portugal or moving there. And the dialogues will give you the confidence to speak Portuguese right away. They will give you the motivation to stick to it and achieve fluency if that's your goal. And as a bonus, all the scenarios include Portuguese cultural aspects that make it fun and entertaining. Now, you will have free access to the pre-journey for 7 days. And how do you do that? You just, as you click on the link to access the memorized lesson, then the following day you will receive an email from us with more information on how to get to the pre-journey course. Finally, if you have any suggestions, any comments on words and phrases that you find helpful when visiting a country that you don't speak the language, please share in the comments below and I'll make sure to get back to you with the Portuguese equivalent for those words and expressions. All right, enjoy the memorized lesson and ciao for now.